In this segment, we'll show you how to attach the hitch brackets and finish the assembly of the sprayer tank body. First, take the hitch brackets Part 9 and attach them to the ends of the hitch arms. Each hitch bracket should be aligned so that the end with the two holes is matched with the end of the hitch arms and the bent ends are extending up. Align the holes in the hitch brackets so that when the bolts are inserted, they will each be positioned behind a cross bolt in the hitch arms. Insert the two hex bolts, Part A, and secure them with nylock nuts, Part 10, but do not fully tighten the bolts yet. Now it's time to tighten all the bolts and nuts in the assembly. You can start with the first bolts that you installed and end with the last bolts that you inserted to secure the hitch brackets. When all of the bolts and nuts have been securely tightened, it's time to start connecting all of the hoses and external parts. First, take the boom mount bracket Part 5 and align it to the ends of the frame tubes behind the tank. Insert two hex bolts Part A from behind the ends of the frame tubes and into the aligned holes in the boom mount bracket. Secure the hex bolts using two nylock nuts, Part 10. Next, you will attach the boom assembly, Part 4, to the rear of the tank on the boom mount bracket. Identify the boom bars in the boom assembly and attach them to the ends of the boom mount bracket. You will first insert a carriage bolt, Part C, into the holes on each end of the boom mount bracket. Then through a tooth lock washer, Part J, that is positioned in between the bracket and the boom bar. Then through the aligned hole in the boom bar. After going through the boom bar, place on the carriage bolt first a flat washer, Part G, and then a knob, Part N. Tighten the knob. Repeat this process on the other end of the boom mount bracket to attach the other boom bar and the rest of the boom assembly. Once the boom assembly is attached, the boom connecting hose in the boom assembly should extend upward. Next, attach the small spray gun clip Part O and the large spray gun clip Part P to the side of the tank. Place the large clip toward the back of the tank and the small clip toward the middle of the tank. Use one screw Part D, threaded first with a lock washer Part I, to attach each clip to the tank.